you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, cause baby I love you.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. My name is Cheryl. I love decorating my home with style on a budget, and I love to try to make it look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if you love home decorating and you love decorating your home with style on a budget, then this is the channel for you. So if you have not yet subscribed, I would so appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. So I thought we would do something really fun today. So today's video is actually sponsored by FABFITFUN. Now, I know you guys have seen all the videos, all the TikToks, all the Instagram posts about FABFITFUN, and when they reached out to me and asked me if I would like to review their winter box, I thought, wow, that would be so much fun. So yeah, I agreed to do so. So here is our box, and it is their winter box, and it says, since it almost feels naughty. Look at that. So cute, little tiny little box. So the fun thing about FABFITFUN is they offer these boxes seasonally. So spring, summer, fall, and winter, and you get to pick out what you want to receive. I thought that was so much fun. It's like getting a little gift, a little surprise every 3 months. So yeah, when they reached out to me, I was like, yeah, I was on board. I wanted to review what was going to be in their winter box. So if you didn't know, you could also get a yearly subscription. I want to say it's around $200, or you can do it seasonally to check it out, see if you like it. You can get this box for 20% off right now using my coupon code iStylEMYSTYLE. Normally I think the boxes are like $59.95 and you can get it for like $47, and the box is valued at over $350. $350, guys, and you're gonna get it for $47. Like, that is a great deal. And these come with full-size products. So we're gonna go ahead now, we're gonna open up our box and see if I received what I selected. So let me just turn you down just a tad. All right, so here's the box. This is how it looks. Very cute. It says winter 2023, and we have all of this stuffing. Whoops. And then here is what is inside my box. So let's take a closer look. And you know, whoops, you guys are crooked. Hold on. Why are you always crooked? All right, is that better? You know, your girl can't see. So let's start with the first thing that I got is this Aceology probiotic restoring biodegradable face mask, and it looks like this, and it comes with 4 one-piece face masks, and it looks like this. Comes in this little package. So nice. So an evening of pampering, you know, take a long hot bath, bubble bath, get a glass of wine, put on your little face mask, have some music going. I thought this would be nice as a way to pamper myself after a long day at work. It says it nourishes, calms, and protects. So I thought this was a great thing to try out, and I will put up the regular price for it here. And then what is this? Oh, okay, we'll come back to that. To stay on the kick with pampering myself, I also picked out this brightening essence. You can see that. and it is by 111 Skin. And I want to do better about taking care of my skin, guys. So that's why I picked out these items. Again, these are full-size items. You can see this is how this looks up close. And it's called Celestial Black Diamond Brightening Essence. And it's Intensive Relief. It says apply morning and evening. So I thought this would be really, really nice. Is this open? I think so. Maybe not. I don't want to break a nail. How do I get this open? Think. Hold. All right, so oops, I got the little tab off without breaking a nail. So it comes that little tab, and it feels really nice. But it's supposed to be a brightening serum for your face. And I left the top in the kitchen, but this is how it looks. And I will put up its retail value here. Again, it has a nice fragrance too. So very nice item to have, again, to go in with pampering myself in the evening. Then we have this Grand Lash MD, this lash enhancing serum, and it looks like this. And I have been wanting to try to get longer lashes. I don't know if you can see, my lashes are not that big. You see that? But I don't wear falsies either. I just wear regular mascara. So I thought, this says it will give you longer, thicker looking lashes in 4 to 6 weeks. So I thought this would be great. Yeah, so it's a clear serum and it's a 3-month supply. So I thought I would give it a try. Again, this is how it looks, and I will put up the regular retail pricing here. But it says to wipe along each lash line. Why can't I talk today? Each lash line once daily, and then you'll see results. So we're going to keep our fingers crossed that this is going to work for us. And then next in the box, what else do we have? We have, ooh, this is a scent that I wanted to try. This is Dulce Is, or Duluce. Can you see that? It's how it looks. And Duluce, I think that's how you pronounce it. And yeah, it's by Rosie Jane. Looks like this, comes in this little vial. Ooh, ooh. Mmm, it smells so good. It smells like vanilla. Sorry guys. It says vanilla, hinoki wood, and musk. Feels like long kisses and mixtapes and sweet dreams. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. This is, yeah. Your boyfriend or husband will be all on you with this, girl. Get your bottle. Yeah. I absolutely love this. Again, this is how it looks. Sorry, I forgot to show packaging, and I will put up the retail price here. But yeah, girl, you need to get this box. Yeah. You gotta have your long eyelashes. Your face is gonna be nice, bright, and tight. It'll be on and popping So a little too much tea. TMI. It's so funny. Anyway, we have 2 more items to go over. The next item I chose in my box is a piece of jewelry from Ana Luisa, and it looks like this. And we'll open it up, and it comes with a coupon code, or SAVE30, on their jewelry. This is how their packaging looks. And we can get this open. I got this little pair of cute Ana Luisa earrings. Look how cute they are. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to try these. I don't wear earrings often, and I like them to be small and dainty. So when I saw these were an option, I absolutely had to get them. Again, look how nice they are. I will put up the retail pricing here so you can check it out. Again, guys, this box is valued at over $350, and we have gotten some really, really nice stuff. So make sure, if you're like me and you've ever wanted to try out a subscription box and just to see how it is, now's the time. Christmas is coming up. Oh my gosh, this would be the perfect Christmas gift for your mother, your sister, your friends. So nice. A perfect Christmas gift, and it's the gift that keeps on giving. So you could buy them a year subscription for like $220, and then they'll get 4 gifts each month. Actually more than that, because they can pick out what they want. Oh my gosh. You need to get this box. And then the last thing that I picked out was this cute little crossbody. Look at this. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. And this is the brand. Look how cute this is. And of course, you know, I had to get black. And I don't know, I've been loving lately carrying just smaller purses. So this is how it looks. I think it looks so cute. Look at that. You can carry it like this, or you can wear it as a crossbody. You want to keep your arms free. So nice. Take this little tag off. Yeah, so cute. So yeah, guys, that's everything. You can't see me, that I got in my FABFITFUN box for winter. And you're crooked. And I am loving absolutely everything that I got. So guys, again, this is a great value. I will leave my coupon code iSTYLEMYSTYLE. You'll get 20% off your first box. You can do it seasonally or annually. I would do it seasonally. You get to pick out every season what you want in your box. Oh my gosh, so nice. And just think, if you got this box for someone for Christmas, they have, let's say you use my coupon code, so you only spent $47. They have this nice little bag. They have this brightening serum. They have these cute little earrings. They have this pampering mask set. They have lash grower or lash extension, and this perfume. Guys, this is a little pampering bag that anyone would love to have, and it's $350 value that you paid $47 for, and it's a gift that gives on giving. So yeah, I will leave my discount code down below. Make sure you go check it out. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know, have you ever tried a subscription service? Did you like it? Did you not like it? Did you keep the subscription after you got it? I think I'm going to keep ordering, guys. I just love everything that I got. So I want to see I can see what the hype is about now. I really do. I can see what the hype is about. So yeah, cute little purse. This purse is by Rebecca Minkoff. So nice. Look how nice that is. And it's got the initials on the back. I will put up the retail price for it here, but absolutely love it. Very nice. Perfect as a crossbody or a shoulder bag. So yeah, I would highly recommend getting a FabFit box. You won't regret it. So with that, my friends, that's all I have for you today. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you are going to go pick up a FabFitFun box. If so, make sure you use my code, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye, guys.
Good luck.